Hey man, did you remember to take your vitamins today? Oh yeah, I got my my quick dissolving A, my quick dissolving C, my quick dissolving D, my quick dissolving K. Aren't you forgetting a pretty important one there? Quick A, quick C, quick D, Quickie! Today's cocktail done quickly is the Reno Motel. This is a cocktail that was suggested to me by Connor McLaughlin here on my channel in my comments, and it sounded equal parts fascinating and dangerous, so I figured let's give it a shot. Let's talk about ingredients. For this cocktail, you are going to need vodka, lime juice, Redbull, and JagerMeister. Ignore the fact I'm using the Aldi brand Red Bull, I'm poor. Let's go ahead and shake it up. We're going to start with 2 ounces of vodka and the juice of half of a lime. And we need to shake that over ice. We're just doing this to get it loosened up, I guess, so just give it a quick blitz and then be done. For this drink, I'm going to grab a pint glass of all things, a thing I don't usually use on this show. We're going to pour a small amount of our Red Bull into that. And then free pour in the ice, lime, and vodka. Top it up with some more ice. And then we're going to add some more Red Bull to fill this up, but we're going to leave a little bit of room on top for a float. With that remaining space, we'll grab our JagerMeister and float 1 ounce of that or so on top. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a Reno Motel. Cheers. I imagine that this is what either the pool at the Reno Motel looks like, what the toilet at the Reno Motel looks like, or what some kind of obscure STD test reads after you stay a night at the Reno Motel. Cheers. Whoa. As someone who did Jaeger bombs in college, I thought I'd be more prepared for that than I was. I was most assuredly not. It is every bit as abrasive as I remember Jaeger bombs being, and I think I'm just gonna go lay down preemptively because, oh boy, is that gonna hurt later. Please drink responsibly, folks. Sláinte.